Assalamu alaikum guys, I am Sohaib Ali today with my new lecture at nucleus. In each eukaryotic animal and plant cell, nucleus is the central organelle, is the largest organelle which consists of nuclear membrane which is similar to cell membrane and nucleus which is actually the factory of ribosome formation and DNA. Each eukaryotic cell have another site for DNA is a mitochondria known as mitochondrial DNA, but DNA mainly present inside the nucleus is called nuclear DNA, which control whole activities of the cell. In each cell, nucleus actually consists of chromatin material. Chromatin material consists of two main things. Number one is DNA and number two histone protein. DNA actually control the activities of cell by producing genetic message for the protein formation, and histone protein helps the DNA to arrange, to organize in such a way that it may form neat and clear structure of the chromosome just before the cell division. In each mammalian cell, in each human mammalian cell, total number of chromosomes are 23 pairs. 23 pairs of chromosomes are present, out of which 22 pairs of chromosomes are called autosomes, which is similar for both male and female. But 23rd pair of chromosome is known as the sex chromosome, which have different combination of genes for male and female. Microchimerism is a biological phenomena in which an individual might housing a cell which originate from another individual, and that cell would genetically distinct from their own cell. For instances, if a person have a cell with male sex chromosome inside a woman, which is might due to might due to transfer during intercourse, and the another instance for sex chromosome is that transfer of the male fetal cell through placenta inside the mother's body, and that cell would align with the mother's body and would retain inside the mother's body even after birth. About 50 to 75% women retain their fetal cell inside their body. It is important to know that 22 pair of the chromosome which are known as the autosomes still contain the sex determination gene, and if we want to explain the structure of the chromosome, we have to know that chromosome consists of DNA and large coiled DNA. Similarly, we also know that a pin size space could have about more than 1000 cell inside it. Similarly, whole body of a human, if we take it, the whole human body, all mammalian cell contain such a DNA that could stretch up to 74,000 million miles, and have a 74,000 million miles, and could stretch up to moon for 1500 times to take it to moon and to take it back. Another important thing which we have to discuss in that is the each chromosome, each chromatin material consists of two things, that is DNA and histone protein. If we want to explain that, we have to take 8 histone protein in it, and stretch the DNA inside it around these 8 histone protein. If we have a 8 histone protein and DNA and coiled DNA around that 8 histone protein, we would have a nucleosome. and that nucleosome is a building block for the chromatin material. That nucleosome would form chromatin material, and that chromatin material would arrange to form chromosome just before the cell division. Chromosome would present in a more sophisticated form just before the cell division, and each chromosome consists of millions of genes in it that have genetic message for the different protein formation inside the cell.